Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the occupancy sensor, also known as WSS Module guys, okay, occupancy sensor WSS Module fuses and relays located. Now we're talking about, guys, on the passenger seat you have a sensor in the seat that detects how heavy the passenger is to know whether to activate the airbag or not. Now we'll talk about that, guys. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems. So this is for entertaining purposes only video, guys. And if you even just pull a fuse, you can cause the system to malfunction, which can cause injuries or death. Now, guys, for any of you that are qualified and certified, quick advice, quick reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, even just checking fuses, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damages to modules, or you can cause them malfunction, which can cause injuries and death as well. Now, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the occupancy sensor, also known as WSS Module fuses relays, come to show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us, guys, now. This video is for entertaining purposes only. Consider it for entertaining purposes only. What we need to do now, you will have airbag fuses, 2 fuses for the airbag system, but just for the occupancy sensor is on the passenger side. Open the passenger door. And here in the footwell compartment on the side, you have a cover. Pull that cover on the APR. Underneath, you have a fuse box that looks like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check, one fuse. That fuse, guys, okay, is fuse number 316 right here. But then we need to go to the driver's side, and on the side of the dash you have a cover. Check this thing out, that cover, pull it out. Behind it, okay, you have that fuse box. And here, guys, okay, what we need to check, you see this fuse 218 and 219, those are for the airbag system, and most likely the main fuse for the occupancy sensor is this fuse 219. You don't have any relays, the relay function is controlled by the module, so those are only the fuses that you will, guys, need to check. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.